are pleased to show you the 2015 Chrysler 200. This midsize sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, trip computer, security system, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, Uconnect hands-free group, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tachometer, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.